Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we're going to see how to play the laundry simulator in Roblox. It's going to be really interesting, so let's go. First you have to claim your place. I'm just doing this because it's near to the laundry putting place. And then for you, there will only be, when you're playing the game for the first time and you've not purchased any baskets or anything like that, you will only have about 10, now I'm collecting 20, right? You'll only have 10 of them. So that's how it works, and you'll have to purchase it after you get money. So yeah, because my washing machines are all near the laundry. I'm just taking all the silver ones because we need money, huh? Oh my god, the silver one is just right in front of my eyes and I'm not able to take it. Okay, let's just put these. As we don't have any more. Okay, now these are done. You just have to take them and put it here. So I got 54 coins. Okay, pretty good, huh? Got the silver. Yo, come on, silver. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure we. Oh my god, the gold. Oh my god. No. I don't want to miss that. I don't have enough washing machine space. Are you serious? Oh my god, this is getting nerve-wracking. Let's take all of them. Now I'm going to put this. I got 40 coins. Okay, not bad, huh? I'm gonna put it in there. We need to collect now. So there is still the silver ones. That shirt is mine, okay? So I got it for myself. I'm taking few more normal stuffs because, you know, obviously it's over. I mean, the silver and golds are already picked. Now, this game, you may say it's kind of boring, right? It's not, because when you're starting to play it, you just want to make the place bigger, and you just want you'll just get the feeling that you just have to make the place bigger and very nice. I hope you guys. I just hope I make sense right now. Okay. So now I'm just collecting all the washed clothes and putting it in there. Now I'm going to show you where to buy washing machine, because when you start the game you'll only have one washing machine, which is this one. It's $5 only, you guys. It's really cheap, and obviously there are a lot of more washing machines like this ones. They are also really nice, but you just need some money, and you can even keep your pets for helping you, but we just have to get 7,500 for that, because let me just explain it to you slowly. Okay, so these are the washing machines that we can buy. So this is the last and the most costliest washing machine I've ever bought. Oops, sorry. Yeah, so this is just $5, but it doesn't take that amount of time. It just takes, what should we say, about 20 seconds, and they are all pretty much the same. um, not the same, but these takes like 15 seconds and stuff like that. But let's go and just look at the price, increasing so badly. Oh my god, 36 million. Oh my god, I saw someone buy this. Oh my god, how are they gonna get that much? 40. Oh my god, that is crazy. So you just can't go and get pets even if you have like that much money or stuff. I mean, these coins. So I have this one which can grab, you know, 20, but I have to get this, which is the 7,500 one. So yeah, this is $0 which we can already have. It can only get, okay, it's not 10 also, it's just only 5 that you can grab, and this is 10. The capacity is 10, and then this is 15 and the capacity is 150. I didn't buy them because I just wanted to go to the bigger one first, because if you're buying like the cheap ones always, we just can't go to the bigger ones, and the bigger ones are more effective, but they are pretty expensive, so we have to work for them. So the capacity of these is 20, and I just bought it with $500. you have to buy the first 5 baskets. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's 2,500. The fifth basket is 2,500. So I don't need 7,500. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I really want a pet so badly. So I think you guys saw the washing machines and what's that? The basket. So that's how they work. Now let's see the pet barn. The pets work for you. So that's really nice, huh? So this is a really cute thing. How cute is that? So cute, right? So you'll get all these, I think, when we buy the basket. Well, whatever. Look how nice they are. I really want to buy this so badly. So I'm just going to work for my 2,500. All right. So now let's go to the laundry. And this is it, the game, you guys. It's just really interesting. And you may say, you can just help your mom in the laundry. Why do you want to play like laundry game? I do help, but we need some entertainment sometimes. Actually, always I play these games so like regularly. Yeah, so let's put these all in here. Let's take these, and it's just so interesting. It makes me like wanna work. That is the pet, you guys. Can you see the pet working? So cute, huh? But we're gonna get a pet as soon as possible. Alright, so we don't have enough space, so I'm just gonna put all of them, and I'm gonna take all the done clothes, and I'm gonna put them in here. Just gonna collect some clothes, and the gold. Oh my god, oh my god, let's go faster, let's go. Oh my god, just don't take the time that you want, because oh my god, no, 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 no. Yeah, let's. Did that thing take the. Oh my god. Why? Fine. Whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in here. Take in my basket, and I'm just going to dump it in there. And then finally this one. So I hope you guys like this tutorial, and after I get 2,500, I'll tell you guys, so that update you guys, I guess. Shall we do it in this video itself? Okay, so I think I will get 1,500 soon. So when I get it, I'll show you guys. Bye, just for now. Okay, you guys, now without even knowing, I reached 2,600. Oh my god, I don't want to miss silver. Okay, fine. Oh my god, that's gold. Wait a minute. Just a minute. Okay, come on, we can do this. Let's go. There we go. Getting rich, huh? Let's go for the silver, I think. Oh, I got it. I don't think there is any silver and gold. However, I'm just gonna collect all these. And now let's go shopping. There's a silver right there, but that's fine. We're gonna get a pigeon right now. Let's go. So let's count again. So wait. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go! I'm actually really happy. I think it carries 25. Okay, let's go get a pigeon. What? What are you saying that it's locked? What do you mean? Hello? Uh, okay. I mean, I do have the basket size, which is, you know what? Oh my god. I'm getting angry right now. Speed 16? Okay, wait a minute. Wait. Why? Why though? No, let me just see what basket I'm getting after I go inside. Oh yeah, well. Oh my god, this is really disappointing. I want to bet though. If you guys know, like look at that. That is the red basket that we just got. But I just don't know why it's not working. That's way easier too, but I just want to bet. You know what? Go away, owl. I want the bet right now. I don't know how they got the bet, but I don't know if they considered the 0, but now it's already over, and I definitely don't have the patience to, you know, go and get 7,500. So, another day when I have patience to play this game. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. Bye.